Hello everyone, good day. My name is Sandy Kibalia. This IT Twitch. Today we are going to create Lab4 file system and file management. First, we are going to open the terminal and we need to create directory and subdirectories using command mkdir file4. Enter and next ls command. So, ayan po yung output niya. Dinisplay niya po yung mga directory and subdirectory. Then, next po, gagawa tayo ng simple C program using the command nanofile underscore program.c. Then, dito po tayo gagawa ng command dahil po nagbigay na po kayo ng code. Yun na rin po ang copy and edit ko po. Then, run po natin ito using command gcc dash zero file underscore program and file underscore program.c. Then, next po natin is dot slash file underscore program. Tapos po, mayroong output na hello operating system na lalabas. Then, para po ma-check natin yung disk space usage, gagamit po tayo ng command na df dash h. So, ito po yung output and then to check the size of specific directory, gagamit po tayo ng command na dv dash sh and ito po yung output na lalabas, which is ito po yung 122m. Then ito, and next po, i-check po natin to repair file system. We will unmounted it using command sudo unmount slash dev slash sdx. Then ito po yung output niya. Next, then ilalagay po natin yung password po muna. Next, we run the command sudo fscp slash dev slash sdx. So, ito naman po yung output na. For activity naman po, we will use the command nano program.c. Then, dito po tayo gagawa ng code to create, rename, and delete file. So, para po mag-run ang program nito, we will use command gcc dash o program and program.c. Then, next po, dot slash program. Tapos, ayun po yung output na lalabas. Then, pag pinindot nyo po yung 1, it will create a file. Susunod-sunod na po yun. Then, we will enter 4 para po mag-exit. Next, we will explore file permission and ownership using chmod and chown and chgrp. So, una po, gagawa tayo ng simple text file gamit ang command touch ng text file .txt or text and enter. And next, we are using command ls dash l test file.txt or text. So, enter. So, ito po yung output na makikita. Next, para po mag-change ng file permission, we use the command chmod txt test file and .txt. Then, so we use the command chmod plus x test file .txt. So, in removing the write permission for the group, gagamit tayo ng command na chmod g slash g dash wtext file dot txt, and next para sa read only for everyone, we use command for test file dot txt. And next, in changing the file ownership, we will use the command chown 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 root text file dot txt. And ayan po yung output niya. In reverting ownership to user, I use command sudo chown and direct text file dot txt. So next, babaguhin natin yung group ownership, yung command to sudo chgrp staff text file dot txt. So next, we will verify the change using command ls dash l testing file dot txt. So, ito po yung output niya. So, ibig sabihin po, nag-change na siya. Thank you po.
Na? Yes.